Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to Alaska Airlines account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type AlaskaAir.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of Alaska Airlines. If you scroll down, you will be able to view the features and bonuses provided by Alaska Airlines. But for now, we only want to log in, so let's scroll back up. On the top right of the screen, you will find a button named as Sign In. Simply click on it. A pop-up will open asking you to enter your user ID or mileage plan number and your password. In case you forgot your user ID or password, here are the buttons right here. Simply click on them and follow the prompts. That way, you can again regain access to your account. You also have the option to click on this checkbox that says Remember Me. Do note that it is completely optional. Once everything is okay, simply hit on this sign in button right here and you will be able to log in to your Alaska Airlines account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you log in to Alaska Airlines. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.